Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hello. I'm Sedyss and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notification bell. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to gain weight in the right places without no belly fat. You actually be needing banana, granules, soya milk. They all contain healthy fats. I'm going to be adding my granules. I'm going to be adding my strawberry. Strawberry doesn't contain any fats, but I just like to include it in my juice because they actually give it a nice color. And here is my egg. I'm going to be adding egg also. I'm going to be adding my peanut butter. Yep. This is optional because you already added granules, but for me, I just like to add peanut butter. So at this point, I'm going to add my soya milk. Soya milk also contains healthy fats and a lot of nice nutrients. This is one of my favorite drinks. The last you want to include is your turmeric. This will actually help you to control all your fats. It will take them to the right place and actually make your waist slim and doesn't give you any belly fat. So with this turmeric, you are not scared of any belly fat. Not too much though. So most times I just use my eyes to measure it. Cover and blend. So now I blend it into a smooth paste. I'm just going to transfer it inside the glass jar. So now you can actually put this one inside your refrigerator. And yeah, your shake is ready. This is what it looks like. It looks yummy and tastes yummy too. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.